Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions.
If you like this content, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Deck maintenance is a frequent homeowner problem. If you've walked outside and seen unsightly black spots on your deck, you want them gone. For you, do-it-yourselfers and weekend warriors, we have solutions. Do you know what causes those black spots? It can be three things. Number one, mold and mildew. Mold and mildew thrive in damp, shaded areas with poor air circulation. They appear as small black dots or blotches. Number two, tannins. Tannins are natural oils in wood. They are most prevalent in cedar or redwood, but can occur in other woods. Tannins react with metal fasteners or moisture, leaving dark stains. Number three, spotted. Fungus or artillery. Fungus, it's rare, but these are tiny black dots that stick like tar, often from mulch. It doesn't matter if your black spots are from mold and mildew, tannins, or spotted fungus, you clean them the same way. Here's what you'll need. Oxygen bleach, not chlorine bleach. Warm water, bucket, stiff bristle brush or deck scrub brush, garden hose or power washer, rubber gloves, safety goggles. Optional, for tough cases you may need a wood brightener. Now that you have everything you'll need, let's get started. Number one, prep the area by clearing the deck of all furniture, planters, and debris. Sweep it thoroughly. Number two, mix your cleaner. In a bucket, mix 1 cup of oxygen bleach with 1 gallon of warm water. Let it dissolve fully before applying. Number three, apply the cleaner by using a garden sprayer, or you can pour and spread it with a brush. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't let it dry out. Number four, scrub the black spots using a stiff bristle brush to scrub affected areas, or a long-handled deck brush. This works well for larger decks. Number five, rinse thoroughly. A power washer set on low or under 1200 psi works great. Avoid blasting too close to the wood so you don't damage the surface. If you don't have one, you can use a garden hose. Number six, if you have stubborn stains, you may wish to apply a wood brightener. It will help restore color and neutralize pH and is especially useful after using bleach-based cleaners. Number seven, let the deck dry about 24 to 48 hours, longer if you live in a humid climate. Avoid walking, placing furniture, or walking on your deck before it is completely dry. Once you've cleaned your deck and gotten rid of the black spots, you don't want them coming back. Here's how. Seal the deck. After it's clean and dry, apply a high-quality deck sealer or stain. Choose one with mildew resistance. Keep it dry. Trim plants and trees to improve airflow and reduce shade. Clean seasonally. Wash your deck at least twice a year. Fix drainage issues. Ensure water doesn't pool on the deck surface. Avoid organic mulch. Nearby, if you've had artillery fungus issues, switch to rubber mulch or stone near the deck. Please note, all mentioned products are linked below.
We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.